All right, guys. So I got some bad news. I think it is leaking from the water pump. Like, remember how I said, oh, I won't touch the water pump or anything. It'll be fine. Yeah, it's leaking from the water pump. So, yeah. So now I have to figure out why it's leaking for the water pump. So, you know what that means. I gotta take it all apart. So that kind of sucks. It really does suck. But before I do that, I'm gonna attach this filter to this guy. So I got some tape, and I'm just gonna build it up with tape so that it's able to just slip in there and stay there. So yeah, all right. So I put some of that foam stuff on there and just wrapped it with electrical tape. And just gonna slide it in here. Oh, all right, there we have it. It's on there. So it's one less thing to worry about. Now I worry about the big boy, the leak. So I'm gonna take this mount off, and then I'll probably take the belt off, the regular belt off here, and then I'll probably take the timing belt off. And why is it all the way over like that anyways? That's weird. So of course, you know, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to do this. So. All right, guys, I got a lot of it out apart. So, as you see, I don't know what's up with that water pump, but it's been leaking, looks like for a while. So I think I might as well just do the whole timing belt and water pump while I'm here. Because why not, right? So, time to put it at top dead center and yada yada yada. Alright guys, that was a pain in the butt, but here's the old water pump. I guess that gasket is flat as can be. Like, that wasn't holding anything in place. So, this is where it's leaking from, just like this. So, God only knows when that was last changed. So, yeah. Pain in the butt. But, got it. So next I'm gonna mark the belts. Alright, got the new water pump. Got that metal jump. Took out the old tensioner fully. Put the freshie in. So gotta put some antifreeze on the O-ring. Slide that boy in there. Alright. Alright. Uh-oh. I mean, it's 5 in the morning. Like, come on. Right, it's 5 in the morning. I deserve some slack. I think I do. Or not. For buying these cars in the first place. Alright. Time to pop it in. Alright guys. I actually did it. PSI is staying. It's not going down because of the water pump leaking or any coolant leaks. So that's exciting. All right. So also the belt. So basically, I had to take out that roller right there, the tensioner roller right here, and then I put the belt on and then just put the roller on. You had to push it just maybe 2 millimeters. So that was it. So now I gotta put the downpipe on and then start putting everything back together. But it's raining right now and this is like a week later. So yeah, I'm hyped. All right guys, got everything back together. Filled it up with water again, because no point in putting $30 coolant in there if it's just gonna leak. It doesn't look like it's leaking, so time to start it up again and see if it doesn't blow up. So yeah, I'm out of breath because lots of crap, you know what I mean. And of course it started raining. Woo! Almost died. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. Why wouldn't the battery be half dead? Alright, so I honestly think it's out of time because I kind of moved the top one, maybe one tooth off, so I think that's where I'm at. So that kind of sucks because I gotta do it all over again. Yeah, but you know, that's what I get. So I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm kind of bummed out, but it's still alive and it's a problem that I can fix. So yeah, it's one tooth off. But I'm gonna stop the video for here, and I don't know if I'm gonna do this anytime soon or I don't know. Honestly don't know, but at least it's not leaking anymore. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I think it's one tooth off. So I think I gotta do it all over again. So that's it for now, you guys. It sucks, but it is what it is, as they say. I will fix it, of course. Alright, I'm a tad bit confused because when I rechecked the timing, it seemed like it was completely fine. Because there's the line. I know, it's hard to see. But the line's right there. So if you put a screwdriver right there, it's lined up. Actually, you know what? It's one tooth forward. Okay. One tooth forward. I don't know how to fix that. Alright, I took off the belt and put it back on, adjusted everything. Alright, so last take, hopefully. If not, I am in the toilet. Still doesn't run good. Not sure what I did differently, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. I replaced the timing belt and it was timed fine. Now it just doesn't work. So, not happy. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this one, y'all. But that's all the time I got now. And yeah, I'm really sad that this didn't work out. Again, I don't know what I did wrong. But the engine didn't like something. So, kind of sad. And both my Beetles didn't work out the way I want them to. So, I don't know what's going to happen with them. Well, this one, the other one, I can get a transmission. That's no big deal. But this one, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to have to figure it out. But for now, that is all, because I have to go work. she's all running, I changed the spark plugs and coils. See? Look at these spark plugs. I guess this isn't good right here. It's like completely bashed in. And the rest of these are all jacked up. So, yeah, spark plugs and coils, and she's back to normal. Happy. I didn't want to end the video with it being all depressing like that. So yeah, time to hook up the downpipe and put this all back together. And yeah, see how it drives and what it does. But say that for the next video, okay? So for now, it's like 6 a.m. and that was really loud because the downpipe isn't connected. And thanks if you made it this far. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. All right, y'all. Peace.